Good morning, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog. I don't know.
You do know it.
We daily vlog, so if you liked this video, please come back to our channel.
If you want some just let me know.
We got some Panera. I got this Mediterranean veggie sandwich. There's all sorts of stuff in there. And 10 vegetable soup and bread. Made a little olive oil concoction.
Chipotle chicken avocado melt's the best thing in Panera.
I went through a phase of their roast beef, and their French onion soup is so good. You ready to play, girlfriend? Look at my mother's planting this super cute. She's not done, but she's gotten a really good start. Also, there's some serious rain in the forecast.
Put in.
Guess who's home, Vivi?
It's Grandma! Hi!
Alrighty, I am on the train downtown. I'm on the phone with Peter. Say hi, Peter. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But I'm meeting my friend Lauren, so let's go downtown. I'm here with Miss Lauren. We're gonna have a night of food and museums and togetherness and
Talking
art.
over each other for 3 hours.
Yeah, I just love her so much, and I'm so happy we have a whole night together.
Ooh, that classic bus shot behind you.
We both have crazy hair. It's like crazy windy.
Raincoats.
Chilly.
Not nice.
But
both have,
I like it. I like this temperature. Like if it could be this all year round.
I could take 5 more degrees.
5 more. Yeah.
But I went through a whole winter.
You're
You
from
didn't.
California. Too. That is true. She's been here.
Commuted through so much snow.
So our first stop is the Chicago. Wait, no, I'm reading that wrong. The Legacy of Chicago Dance at the Newberry Library. Love a good button. They're $1 a piece. Look at that lady. Yeah.
No, I get to go to the police academy. Open the dog park.
Good afternoon, everybody. I've actually been home for a while before I started vlogging. It's about 4:50. Yes, that's before normal business hours. What's up, new girl? So the company I work for does early outs on the Friday before holidays. So since Monday's a holiday and today's Friday, we got off at 3 p.m. and I came home to hang out Eve. I was gonna go to SeaWorld and meet up with Sean and Caroline because it's on the way home, but I didn't because I decided that since they're going to Disney Springs tonight and I'm gonna go meet up with them, I want to spend some time with her because I'm gonna miss her. You smell something? I'm just here, Eve, to say I love you so much. You kill me with how cute you are over there with your snout between your paws like that and your ears flipping when I say your name. I love you.
Alrighty, our second stop is the MCA. I admitted to Lauren, I don't think I've ever been here.
You uncultured swine!
Like, did I go
come
in
on
school?
Tuesdays because it's free. Also, they have a really fun farmer's market right here on Tuesdays too. So it like encourages people going to the museum.
I'm excited to say the least. These are the mice from Sugar. I'm like crazy.
Oh, what about this?
That is so cute. You love a good panda bear. One of the first things I ever bought you from Disney World was a panda cup.
I'm also not against this hippo.
Aw, these super cute books that I've never seen anywhere else. Come on, how can you go wrong with an elephant?
As you can see, parked at Orange Garage like always. Something has a little wind tunnel in Radio City. Oh, my friends are over at Hangar Bar. Carolyn messaged me and said that's where they're at. So that's where I'm heading to. Extremely busy with how beautiful it is. It's 86 and breezy. It's a Memorial holiday weekend and it is Friday night. So I expect it to be quite the show here at Disney Springs tonight. So I just passed what used to be called Characters in Flight. I don't know what the real name of it is. The giant balloon at Disney Springs. And I don't know if I'm happy or sad at Disney Springs right now, but they just had blaring the Will Smith Friend Like Me from the new Aladdin. We haven't seen it yet because Sarah was in Chicago and I was here. And I had been doing a good job of like staying away from seeing or hearing any of the new songs or new scenes. So what I heard was like 15 seconds and it sounded really good. So I'm pumped to see it even more, but that was too soon.
Okie dokie, here we are, No Beans Beach Club. I said no beans, no bones. So we just ordered a ton of food at this No Bones Beach Club. It's all plant-based. Eat happily knowing you are making a difference. This is like tiki room, Polynesian resort vibes. Even those are like mini versions of the lobby. Yeah. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter.
Are you impressed?
I'm very impressed. These are like macaroni and cheese. I think, right?
Let's get dangerous.
Okay. Oh gosh. Yeah. That looks so good.
I think there's jalapenos in there for you. More
nachos that we can actually eat. We were just at Margaritaville the other day and we couldn't eat the nachos. And so this is making
Wait, I
up
saw
for
you
that.
eating those sad empty chips.
Yeah. And then cauliflower buffalo
Ranch.
We're sharing it all. And we're really hungry.
I'm ready.
This place is known for their fancy drinks and they have delivered. They are coconut.
Oh,
So good. Should we cheers to Grandma Cookie?
to Grandma Cookie.
It's Grandma Cookie's birthday today. Cheers, Lauren.
Look, I found my friends. And Jeremy and Kara showed up just right at about 2 minutes after I did. Still have Ryan over here. I have to record this one because it's one of his originals. It's my favorite. Can you change the room? I got a Jock's Old Fashioned. Blue and Hannah are here. Say hello. I'm vlogging on my cell phone today. Sarah's got the camera in Chicago. And look at Dave's styling shoes. But he can't take the credit because...
No, and you're an ace vlogger.
You've been rocking the dad jokes the past vacation.
Yep.
There's like some sort of performance going on over there. And there's a camera person walking. I guess I'm a camera person walking too, though. I brought the camera out anywho because there's a Christmas wreath on this taco place. Oh, and if you're interested in ever going to that restaurant...
It's at Four Corners.
It's at Four Corners. Okay, my mind is blown. I've never seen this. We gotta catch a train, but
Wait,
we're learning stuff about Chicago. Ooh.
Susan met the Saguenay Hotel to incorporate the town of Chicago.
Wow. This site.
Destroyed by the fire like everything else.
Too soon.
Including the wigwam. Sorry, Abraham.
Alrighty, so Lauren just left to go to her train and I'm going to mine. I was walking pretty fast, you know, city pace to get to my train. And I was over the river and I'm texting my friend Carolyn, who is driving to Chicago from Iowa, and then they're flying to Disney. She is the mother of all of the Earhart children. And she just said she's in the middle of nowhere because they're in like the middle of Illinois on their way to Chicago. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm not even soaking in the fact that I'm in my favorite city in the world, walking to the train I love so much. I was actually like on the bridge that we just passed in.
I just love those bridges so much and the Chicago River, and so I just wanted to take the time to appreciate and to share with you guys just like this is what we love so much about Chicago. It's just walking around and taking everything in, and I was walking so fast and just like not soaking it in. So not to sound preachy, but whatever you're flying past right now in life, like just take a breath and like appreciate it.
All right, so I've been a bad vlogger. We left the Hangar bar. We're heading over because they're all hungry to get a snack at Pepe's, the new quick service. I don't think I'll be getting anything because I'm not hungry, 1 and 2. I don't think they'll have anything, but I'll check it out and see if there is. And it's so funny, like, I don't know if Sarah and I have explained, but we have a bad tendency to inherit the accents that we're near. So I feel like sometimes we talk a little bit more southern when we're by the bugs. And with our UK friends, we somehow start to talk with a British accent. And at one point, Hannah even said, like, you have a terrible accent. And she knows I'm American, so she's like, I think she even heard me talking like it. So I don't know what it is, if it's just like a subconscious trick, but it's not going well. But it is about 10 o'clock. We were just hanging out for a long time talking. Everybody else from the UK is going home on Monday. Sean and Caroline are staying. So I want to maximize my time with Dave and the rest of the family before I leave, because they're leaving. All right, we're getting crazy with ourselves. We're at the quick service, the smokehouse there, the House of Blues. It's technically closed because it's 10:05, but we're gonna try to get ourselves some food.
Gotta feed this baby.
If not, Earl's sandwich.
Yes.
On the completely other side of Disney Springs.
Opposite end.
So fun fact, they will still serve you after closing time as long as the line is there. So we got served, but their pretzel is different in House of Blues than the rest of Disney. So it wasn't vegan, so I wasn't able to get it, but I think I'm gonna share some of Caroline's nachos, just try to find pieces without the cheese, because she didn't grab any meat animals anyway. So here we are at the outside sitting area for the quick service for House of Blues. I think someone's gonna come out and play some music. They all got some snacks. And I think I'll be heading out soon, because I have to get up at like 3:30, 4 o'clock. Alright, I'm heading out. I did better with Dave than I thought I was going to, so it wasn't a sad goodbye when Sarah left, because I knew I had 2 more nights with him, and there's no like foreseeable booked trip or even a talk about a trip for Dave to come back to the States. So it's hard because now kind of the ball's in our court, and we've been talking with Sean and Caroline since we met them about us going to Newcastle or to the UK to visit them. So I think this will be the big push finally to get us overseas, maybe next summer or fall, to stay with them and hang out in Newcastle and go to see some of the outlying areas. And they keep saying like, yeah, I believe when I'll see it, and if you know me, nothing pushes me to do something more like me being told that I'm not going to do it. So we're going to get Sarah's passport and get that figured out for next summer.
Alrighty, I am home. I just spent some time chatting with my mom and Grant. Sitting down to edit now. I just wanted to say that I had such a good time tonight. Everything about tonight was awesome. The library, the Museum of Contemporary Art, the food, but especially the time that I got to spend with my very best friend, Lauren. Thank you, Lauren. You know how much tonight meant to me. It was really cool to just be like back doing the things that we did when our friendship started in art school. So hopefully I'll get Peter's footage soon, and this vlog will get to getting.
All right, so I'm home. We were kind of smart with our planning for traveling because Sarah flew Southwest there. We get the 2 free check bags. So Sarah packed pretty much like 95% of what I need. So I'm gonna travel very little, and because it's just over the weekend, I don't even have to bring my work laptop. Super awesome. But then I realized like, wait, through all of our downsizing, I don't know if I have any carry-on luggage. Then I realized, like, looking in the closet, ACS, American Cancer Society, who I fundraise for, links down below, that I'm fundraising $4,000 for Dopey Challenge 2020, save the day with the gift I got from them for raising for Star Wars Marathon. This is perfect size. This is a personal item. I just need to throw in like 2 pairs of running shorts, my flip-flops, and my toothbrush and some chargers. Today was Grandma Cookie's 84th birthday, so wish Grandma Cookie in the comments down below a happy birthday. The quote of the day is, there's no such thing as coincidence, I say. It's synchronicity. Raven Caldera. All right, we're gonna get ready. We're gonna play some rope and then we're gonna go to bed. It is about 10 to midnight and I probably should get up. My flight's at 7. I should be there at 5, even though I know I don't need to be there that early, but it's always safe to be there 2 hours for domestic flights, which means I should leave at 4:30, which means I should get up at 4, most likely at 3:30, so I need to go to bed because I need to get up super early. So I'm gonna play with Eve a little bit because I already miss her and I haven't even left yet. We love each and every one of you. I can't wait to see Sarah in just about 10 hours. Can't wait. It's good to be home.
Okay, I'm keeping this short. I am calling Peter in 15 minutes to wake him up. It's 2:15. I will be able to sleep a little bit, but yeah, it's time. I'm so excited to see him. Seeing even the video makes me so sad. I miss her, but I'm so excited to see Peter and to go to bed. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.